Hey, what's up everyone? Nolasco here. Welcome back to the Nike outlet. Let's see what we could find here. 2023 hoodie. Engineered Jordan engineered for flight. SP21. Oh, they are on retail. Nike Precision 4, $49.99. Nice color though, triple white. This one, $49.99. Retail on this one is $85. Nike Fly B Mid Break NBK. Well, how about the Lebron Soldier? They are on $99.99. Another Lebron. This one is low, $79.97. Not bad for the price though. This is Lebron, so I'm not really sure why this not reselling. Probably the colorway. And how about some KD Tray 5, $69.99. Well, this kind of cheap basketball shoe, it should be good. And Lebron Witness again. This one is $74.99. The color is not bad as well. Alright, a lot more Lebrons down here of the Witness, different colorway. This one is $84.99. Another Lebron Witness. The greenish thing is not bad. Lebron Witness again, different colorway. Well, this color is not bad as well. Which one is better? Kyrie Trap Flight 3 is $49.99, and a different colorway at the same price. This one kind of gloating. And what is this? They don't have a display. $69.97. Oh, I remember this one. I think I already got me one of this. Yep, this one is the Kevin Durant burgundy. Last week or a couple weeks ago, I already picked me up one of this one. Pick up the bigger sizes, so I might gonna pick up more today. Maybe size 12 and a half or 13. And Nike Air Max 2090, $99. This look like a sunset-ish colorway with that orange thing. What do you think for that price? Moving on, okay, we got some Air Max 2017 down here with this kind of ish platinum, $139. Same price, $139, and a different colorway with that triple black as well, $139. This should be good if they had additional discount though. And we got some Element and on 89, triple black and the same price, 89. A different colorway, platinum tint, 89. And we got some Monarch Dead shoes, 49. Anyone getting this? Any thoughts? Alright, so we are in the hash wall, clearance wall. We got something down here, Lebron again, and the price kind of little bit high, $139.99. It didn't go down, same price when they are on the shelves, still same price on the hash wall. How about this one? We got some $59.97 if the Joyride ish. How about some KD kind of bread colorway? Well, KD 13, and it's a little bit high, so I'm passing on this one. More KD. This one is a vibrant color, so I would love to get this one to resell, but the price still stiff, $89.97. Unlike the other one, the burgundy is more cheaper. And we got some Kyrie, kind of Celtics colorway. What do you think on this one though? TV promo. Alright, moving on. We got more down here. Well, we got PG Digicamo PG4, $44.97. Same price like last week. And more. We got some Epic React Fly Knit. Good running shoes though. What do you think on that price? $59.97. Maybe this one is a really good alternative though. Alright, more PG4, $59.97. They've been sitting here for a while, and I might gonna get more of this, but no resale value. And how about Pegasus 37 Shield? It's a good thing to have this one because it's getting cold and almost rainy all day. Alright, so let's look around a little bit more if we could find something else. Alright, some running shoes, 99 and the Flyknit React. This one is much more cheaper though, 69.97 with the top is black and the midsole is a little bit kind of rainbow-y, 69.99. I bet for the price. Good running shoes. We are in the women's section. Let's see what we could find. 84.99. Is this the Nike Fly? And more down here. A lot of running shoes, but not really good for resale. Clearance wall. Back here in the aisles. Let's see what we could find. Nothing. Alright, so how about this one? Nike Evernon Mid SE. Price $29.97. Same price last week and no one's buying this one. More on the clearance wall. Let's see what we could find here. I see something and there you go. What do you think on this one? Wow, Air Max Scarlet. Well, the colorway is not bad though. What do you think? Alright, let's see what else we could find. Oh, here we got some cycling or kind of cycling shoes. We got the Nike Super Rev Cycle, yeah, $69.99. And what else? We got some Spiridon Cage 2. Ooh, this price on this one is not bad. Wow, $39.97. Spiridon Cage 2. Alright, in the kids section, clearance wall, we got some Lebron. This one is kind of what the colorway 5Y right now. As you can see, a different color of Lebron, $49.97. And this one is not bad. Black upper with white midsole and outsole. Alright, another Lebron, a different colorway. The other one comes with black. This one comes with black with a little bit kind of flowery or a little bit not really sure what kind of design on the back, and the outsole is much more different, but the price just the same. How about some Kyrie's 7 CNY, and we get some Freak 2 $69.99. Hash wall $29.99 on this one. Like the color though. For kids though, it's for kids for the price. We got some pick of the week women's Nike Zoom Gravity, $39.97. You can't beat that price. $39.97 is good enough. And we're coming back to pick up this one. This one we're gonna get in today. And there we go. We got 3 pairs of the KD and 1 Lebrons. Alright, so what did we got on this Nike outlet for today? Let's go take it out. Alright, so here we go. 3 pairs of the KD13 promo. So we got size 13, size 12 and a half, size 12 and a half, and right here is 1 pair of Lebron grade school. So let's take them out. Let me show you. Lebron down here, which is white university red. Which one? This one is grade school though. How much we got this one on the outlet? We got it for $49.97. But when I was checking out and trying to pay for this item, it rings up $79.97. So that means they had to manually put on the price, which is the $49.97, which is on the box right there. Nice for the kids in the Philippines. I'm gonna give it to them. So last two pairs of 12 and a half. I pick up 12 two the two pairs of 12 and a half, and then one pair of size 13. Okay, here we go. So this one is the team red white. Here we go, Kevin Durant TV promo. We got kind of maroon-ish, and we should know that when we're gonna pick up some basketball shoes, we gotta need to pick up the bigger size. The LeBron, $49.97, and we use our coupon, 15% coupon for that one, minus the 15% coupon, came down to $42.47 on this one, $42.47. And then this one, the KD13, the price is $69.97. Minus the coupon is came down to $59.48 for this one. Not bad, right? So I'm just gonna sell this really quick for 100, and then buyer pay for the shipping. Yep, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm not gonna hold this one, but all right. So I hope you learned something new on today's, and I hope you like this video on the Nike outlet. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.